Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is Surströmming. This is also known as the stinkiest fish in the world, and I'm going to be feeding it to my family.
You smell it already?
Oh! I was going to put on gloves.
Oh no!
And I didn't put on gloves.
Oh no!
Surströmming. Got a lot of flack over it because I didn't do it right. If you do it right, it tastes good. Really have a hard time believing that. Anyway, we're gonna put this together with our potatoes, red onion. We got some flatbread that we're gonna butter, and tomato and some sour cream. And this is supposedly the way that they do it. I haven't been able to make it to Sweden yet. We're gonna get some of these potatoes boiling. I am going to throw in some Chef Dad smoked salt because this is definitely going to help it out. Nothing we can do to make it any worse. And we're just going to cut this red onion into some nice large chunks because it definitely is not going to hurt us to have an oniony flavor. It says on this package, bulge can is normal, part of the natural fermentation process. Open underwater outside. These are fragrant. Tomato, you can add it. It's not, I guess, not completely traditional. So when we go to do this, we are going to go outside, get a tub of water, and open that can. Hopefully this time there's full fillets in there. Otherwise, Amazon hosed us over again and we're not going to be able to do a full video. There should be full fillets in here. So these right here, I'm just going to throw them in the microwave for a moment, and then I'm going to put some butter on them. So I'm going to do a nice layer of some good butter. I guess we could just dress them all up, huh? Okay, so Chef Dad smoked salt. Onions. I did read that you should have some very stout alcohol. We're not going to do it with that. This is going to be all natural. We're going to remember everything. And then if I do go to Sweden and somebody wants to make this for me, I'll try it again. I think this might be a tough sell though for me. I mean, so far these look, I mean, everything in here is perfect. This looks great. Throw some potato in here. I mean, can't really go wrong. A dollop of some high quality sour cream. Might look like a lot, and it is because I know what this tastes like last time. Trying to cover the taste up. Set them right here. Super hot. So I'm going to do a quick cut to them. Why? Because I'm building flavors. That's the whole purpose of this. I want to build as much flavor as I can to take away from the fish. And if you've seen the last video, they sent us basically melted herring. Now we need to get some of this dill cut up. Dill in. Now you got dill everywhere. And a healthy dollop of some butter. Chef Dad smoked salt. I appreciate all the comments everybody sends in. I really do. We're going to go ahead and open up one of these and throw a little bit of potato in here. That was good. Now it's time to take these outside and get prepped for surströmming. Here is our surströmming. We don't know if we're going to be able to eat it yet. If it's not full fillets like it's supposed to be, Amazon's gonna have to send me some that is real. This does say open underwater. There it is. There it is.
That's really bad.
Oh, that's stinky. That is stinky. It's difficult because the can is distorted and bent, so we'll have to try in several different places. You don't enjoy that smell?
No, do you?
No, it kind of smells like a extended aeration plant, which is a sewage plant.
I think it smelled like a tote of halibut heads.
Oh. What's the matter?
Huh?
Tristan, what's the matter?
Nothing.
Nothing? Oh, it splattered on my arm. So, did we get any fillets? And no.
Oh, we didn't?
We got absolutely nothing again. Thank you. There's nothing in there.
No,
That is nothing in there. This is twice. Get close. There's supposed to be fillets in here. This is twice. This same exact brand has sent me garbage. There's nothing in here to eat. There's supposed to be fillets in here so that we can put on that. I did this all right so that we could try this. So this is a major letdown. And I have a tub of fluid here that I have to get rid of now. It's bear season in Alaska. There's bears all around us. And I can't do anything with this. I'm pretty upset because it stinks. And I don't even get to try it. I'm going to carry this inside.
Inside?
Where's it going?
No, you're gonna dump that in the house?
Where am I going to dump it?
I don't know.
I can't dump it where the dogs are going to eat it. Here.
Well, those are still good. I don't eat that.
So apparently I need to put this in a bigger tub and put it on the 6-wheeler and drive it down the trail and dump it out. So that I don't have any bears in the yard and I don't bring it inside. I'm extremely disappointed. This is delicious. A potato, flatbread, onion. This is super good. Tell me where to get Surströmming that's actually gonna not be that. You could pick that video for you. I picked that video for you. That's the subscription button. Push it. Give me some Surströmming. Because I wasn't going to do it right. Thanks for watching.